I'm sexy and I know it. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads. Who's the knucklehead? We are the knuckleheads.
Do you reckon the minis are in that lorry then?
Hey?
Yeah, it looks like the minis are in that lorry, so they do it for pleasure.
Looks that way, doesn't it?
Cool. Imagine doing that. I'd love to do that for patrol.
What, transporting race cars?
Yeah. And racing them. Have my own lorry.
Anything coming?
I don't think so.
Well, you're locked in. You look in the mirror, don't you?
Yeah, but I can't see what you see in the mirror. Just point to the towing line.
There you go. Now you can see what's behind us. Anything coming? Or even if you put your head out the window.
There's nothing to the side of us. We're gonna die. No, we're fine. Everyone's knocking over the cane.
No.
Well, I couldn't see that. You're
I'm so busy running over fucking cones.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you count 6 laps or 7 laps, then we come back in. Fucking hell, I forgot to turn the fucking thing on. I think more pressure was better.
Reckon?
Yeah, because it's more thingy on the front end.
Yeah.
Can you not feel it?
Yeah. I can.
It's a bit more, yeah. Might need to put more pressure back in the tyres.
Come in. Pressure in. Come in. Put pressure in.
No, that's alright, I can stay out for a bit. I need to fuck the wheels anyway, the tyres anyway.
Pressure in. Come in. Put pressure in.
No, that's alright, I can stay out for a bit. I need to fuck the wheels anyway, the tyres anyway. Too fast.
Yeah.
Say thank you, do they?
No. And how inconsiderate. And how inconsiderate.
He did. He's a nice guy.
We like him.
Yeah, we like him.
We like him.
I think that's just the basic, isn't it?
Yeah. Carry on.
Hey,
It's going.
go Perry.
Go, 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 Perry Ringer! The brake. Touch the brake.
Yeah, don't want to do late braking like before.
No, because we want to make the apex. Apex! Apex!
You've watched my last video, haven't you?
Yes!
You've watched my last video, haven't you?
Yes! Think of the racing line, apex. Fuck everyone else.
Oh no, it's that LD again.
Right, it's slide left, harsh braking, slide right, stupid Audi in front, bloody Audi drivers,
Fucking hell.
slide left, harsh braking, slide right, stupid Audi in front, bloody Audi drivers,
Fucking hell.
fucking wankers, pardon my French, left, 5 left, hard, over the brow, foot down, full power, don't barge them off the road. Oh no, another person's passed us, bye. Another person's passed us, bye. He just beat you, mate, and he's on the edge.
Yeah, I ain't catching that.
No. Like, mind the cones, we don't want to hit the cones. I would like to stay alive. See that grass? I don't want to be there. This is where. Yeah! I didn't put my pants. What's that?
I'll have to stop.
Oh, yeah.
Till you get some water.
Gosh, we're cooking the car. Right. Slow braking. Coming in. Slippity slop. Bye. That might come up because you on that last bend you're like right over.
I think you probably need to take a short break.
I need to anyway because it says more coolant thing.
Yeah. What to tell you when you're overdriving?
I know, it's overheating.
Yeah, trying a bit hard as well. Just
Yeah.
a couple of reports in from the marshals.
Yeah, no, I need to recheck my tyre pressures because when I went through the fast bit, it went a bit. That's where it went a bit funny. So I need to recheck my tyre pressures as well.
Okay. But just
Yeah, I really appreciate that. Thank you.
no, not at all. We want you to enjoy the day and stay safe. I want to see it in the same shape you brought it.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Take a break, let it cool down.
Yeah.
Coffee.
All right.
Coffee sounds good actually.
Cheers, mate. Thank you. Hey,
Coffee sounds good.
coffee.
Yeah.
Is the thing open though?
We'll have a look because I see people. You can go up that way. I see people come down with drinks and that. So there must be something here open. So the marshal must have said, I finished it. The marshal must have said, yeah, that Volvo must be pushing it a bit fast. Because obviously they don't want people coming off the track.
Yeah.
So,
Come on.
Let's raise that up. We need to let everything cool down.